It's difficult enough these days to predict what will happen in business, economy, in society even next month, let alone that we could look forward in terms of what will happen in a year or 2 years from now. There are all sorts of different scenarios that businesses are discussing. Quite a few of them expect some sort of a roaring 20s 2.0 in which we have a decade of uninterrupted innovation, technology-driven innovation and growth. Others expect that we have to pay back sooner or later all the investments we had to do to keep ourselves up and running as businesses. So we might be facing a disastrous decade. Yet others are looking forward to the great reset philosophy of the World Economic Forum and see it actually become true after the pandemic. And then there's obviously the theme indeed of sustainability that seems to top the executive agenda of many companies as well, yet again. And maybe scarcity, both in terms of natural resources and also human resources, skilled talent, might be a very dominant economic theme. In any case, whatever scenario will unfold, technology is completely interwoven with it. And that's where TechnoVision comes in. The theme this year is being like water, and it actually builds on top of the 21 theme, which was be like water. And that was a plea to look at technology trends, to particularly become more agile, more adaptive, more responsive, more resilient, also more flowing, even in an automated way, like water, in order to deal with whatever unexpected scenario might turn true. And this year we decided to have as a main theme being like water, which essentially means that it's no longer just about making plans and having an ambition to get there, but actually embrace technology in all of our daily operations. Every business actually needs to become and be a technology business. It becomes very apparent if we look at some of the key technology drivers that we see in 22. One of them, for example, being mesh, the idea of loosely connected business and technology networks that sort of come much closer to responsibility and ownership within the business domains themselves rather than in the central IT department. We see the notion of edge, in which we bring IT much closer to the actual business operations on the floor, on the ground, in actual devices, as in edge computing. And then we see the notion of augment, in which we use AI and intelligent automation to help us perform with potentially fewer people, still perform better and produce in better ways as well. Now, looking at all of these technology trends, it's very important to realize that, of course, we can use technology to create a more sustainable, more responsible society. But having said that, using technology itself consumes a lot of energy and other resources as well. So we need to be quite frugal and cautious in the way that we're actually applying technology to achieve our goals. But whatever scenario may pan out for you in 22, technology will be an integral part of it. So do have a look at all the trends that will help you to become truly a technology business and enjoy the benefits of being like water.